Hey guys, welcome back to Heavy Metal Rex. My name is Oace, and today I got something really cool delivered. Let me turn around so you guys can see. Not that you know what's in this box, but I bought this from somebody on the Facebook group, and it is actually the JDM Armrest. And it came pretty quick, so we're gonna open it up, take a look, and see what's inside, and probably even install it today. Alright guys, so I'm actually in my basement studio space where we're gonna pop this guy open and show you guys what it is that I got here. If you're familiar with the 2015 to the 2021 WRX, you know that there is an armrest extension option, which is just a little bit, it's a little button you can push that raises the armrest area, but it's actually not that convenient. I actually had it on my 21 and I never liked it. This particular option is actually from Japan. We don't even get this option in America, as you can see from the Japanese instructions here. And what it is, it's a whole permanent extension and extra storage space, which I think is really cool. Right now, that's one thing I kind of don't like. I don't have a place to put like my sunglasses and stuff like that, and this would be a perfect solution for that. Here is the actual item that we are referring to. It is JDM spec, baby, 100%. So this is the piece. Actually, it's not as big as I thought that it would be. It's actually like pretty decent size. You can see the thickness from the front. So basically what would happen right now is we would take off the cover that's in the center console and then screw this on top, then take the cover and put the cover on top of this. And so now we get an armrest, we get an armrest for here, and then also once we open the top of it, we've got like, I'd say about 1.5 inches worth of space, depth-wise, and this is maybe, I wanna say 6 inches or so. It's actually pretty nice. And of course it hinges up and opens, very cool. I'm looking forward to this, and I got this from somebody on our Facebook group. He purchased it, he said it was a little too high for his liking, and so what I did to test whether it was something that I was gonna be okay with, I would permanently leave shaker bottles and tall items in the cup holders to see if it got in the way of me shifting. And that was his concern, was that it was a little too high, he didn't like the way it felt. I think it's okay for me. I think I got long, lanky arms. It didn't seem to be that much of an issue, and I kind of keep my seat a little bit higher. So I think that this will be okay. I think I'll be okay with that. And also, to be honest, just having the extra storage space, somewhere that I can keep my sunglasses and keep like extra cables and things like that would be really nice. Not that I don't like the center console, I think it's fine. I just like having more space, and I think this is a really good way to do it. I think these are retailing for about $150 to $170, I think, on Rallysport and a couple of other websites. I believe Subispeed has it. This is for the 15 to the 21, but it does fit the 22. I am gonna get to my car, set up the camera, and do the installation. So, let's go. Okay, so we're outside in the car, and before I get the installation started, I did want to show you what the current height of it is. So this is what we're replacing, and you can see it's down here, which is actually not that bad, and I don't really have any issues hitting the shifter. And even if I end up getting a little bit high, you can see how high my arm is. This is usually how high my arm is when I'm shifting anyway. I don't think it's going to be an issue, but I just did wanted to show you the before and after. This is what it looks like. All right, everyone, so the installation seems pretty easy. What we're gonna do is we're going to pull on this plastic piece right here. This is where the USBs are if you have a Premium. Other people have showed you can put some sort of prying tool in here. I myself am a tool, so I will just be using my hands. So I'm just gripping right here with just a little bit of strength, I can get it off. You don't need to pull this whole section off because the 3 screws you need are actually right up here, and they're all Phillips. So you just need the 1 screwdriver, and pop these 3 guys out. We should be able to just take this off, just like that. And there it is. So that piece is off, and we will put this aside because we're gonna have to attach this back to the top of the new piece. So we'll put that over here. First things first, so this is the new piece, and what we need to do is we actually need to take this and screw it on top of this with the provided 2 screws. So I will do that. Where are they? They are here. So one goes. Well, that's half the fun about doing things in a car. See, other channels you don't get to see all of the fun bloopers of dropping screws and hitting yourself on the hand with a hammer and things like that. This is the channel you get to see all that stuff, because I try not to edit out my mistakes. Honestly, I find those to be the most fun parts of the video, both for myself, my family especially, and my friends. So those 2 screws are in. There is another back piece that they provided that is going to cover this up, and it's actually this piece right here. So this will cover this section right here, and I'll clip this in. So that actually clips onto the back side like that. And there are 2 screws you need to put, one here and one here. So we'll place those guys in. Look at that, you guys get to see like a POV shot. Screwdriver, not the screwing you thought you'd see here. Put that guy in. Oh, that's that. To be honest, that's like we're almost done. So now, place this right back where we got it from. Replace the 3 screws we took out. And that's it. Push this center piece back on, and that's it. It's actually, it's really that easy. This has been really cool because this is an actual JDM piece, so you can go around and tell your friends that your Subaru is JDM. So let's get to the front and see what the physical difference is. And you can see how much higher that raised it, just that bit right here. And what's cool is now you have this center space right here. You can put all kinds of goodies, which I think is really cool because sometimes I don't have a place to put my sunglasses. Now I can use this and clip this back down, and you still have your center storage, which is awesome, which is normally where I keep my glasses. But now I'm not really sure what I'm going to put down there. And that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, let me see what it looks like with my arm on it and the shifting. So this is my normal sitting position. And actually, again, it doesn't get in the way. It really doesn't get in the way, I think, because my elbow isn't that low. But if I do want it here, I can actually, well, actually, my arm still moves enough to where I'm not going to rest it on here and it doesn't get in the way. So like if I'm shifting, no, that's not bad. As you can see from here, my elbow doesn't say. Your mileage may vary. It's hard to say. Overall, it looks really good. And again, the extra storage space is what I really wanted out of here. So check it out. I know that the person who bought this got it from Rallysport. I think it was like $160, $170. I'll find the link and post it in the description down below if you guys want to pick one up. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.